Ants are usually drawn by either food or moisture, and identifying which one is driving their behavior is the key to stopping them. Start by watching where ants travel and note what they carry or what they converge on, because food seekers will commonly carry crumbs or sweet residues, while moisture seekers tend to cluster near plumbing or damp materials. Inspect kitchens and pantries on hands and knees, opening jars and looking for sticky spills behind appliances, and use a bright flashlight to reveal tiny grease trails that are invisible from standing height. In bathrooms and basements, run a finger along grout lines and pipe joints to feel for dampness, and check under sinks and behind washing machines for condensation or slow leaks that create favorable microclimates. Reduce attractants by storing dry goods in sealed glass or heavy plastic containers, wiping counters and baseboards after meal prep, and running a dehumidifier or improving ventilation where relative humidity regularly exceeds 50%. For immediate temporary control of a trail without pesticides, clean it with a solution of warm water and soap or a 10% vinegar solution to remove the scent path that ants follow. If you choose baits, match the bait to what the ants prefer by offering a protein or grease bait for non-sugary loving species and a sugar bait for those carrying sweet residues, and place baits along the trail rather than scattering them randomly. The three most common mistakes are chasing individual ants instead of locating the nest, treating surfaces without addressing moisture, and using repellents that only disperse the trail briefly. If you chase visible ants, you waste time because the colony remains intact, so follow trails back to their origin or set bait stations along the path to reach foraging workers. If you only spray baseboards but leave a leaking pipe or humid crawl space unchanged, the problem returns quickly, so repair leaks, dry wet materials, and reduce humidity to remove the attractant. If you use repellents that temporarily scatter ants, you interrupt baiting and make colony elimination harder, so avoid broad surface repellents when you are relying on baited control. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors by listing professionals who offer pest control and moisture remediation services, and by hosting a discussion community where people share real experiences and tips. We use our platform to connect contractors with homeowner projects and to let neighbors exchange photos and step-by-step accounts so everyone can make better decisions.